But that was a great thing, you know. We got the job to spend the time with and grow up and be a bit more. And he said, well, you do it.
So I'm Lindsay Payton. I manage Barari Gorge Station at Geraldine. A member of the Canterbury Venison Advance Party. We've been going for about 18 months, and now we've got some pretty good relationships within that Advance Party, and trusted relationships really is what it's about, building confidence in each other so that we can actually have some constructive days at those meetings and some take-home information that we can actually utilise on our own farms. And like today, the regional day, we've actually come up with some weaning weight targets that we want and that we're going to work in within 5 years' time. So we've got a target there that we're aiming for.
Yep. How much are you hoping to lift it in that time?
We're hoping to lift 5 k's on our weaning weights, and it's sort of a kilo a year on average. It may not work that way. It might be 3 1 year and nothing the next, or something like that. But and monitoring as we go so that we know our progress. We've got actions, that we're just going to try and feed our hinds better. We're fencing hill blocks now to try and do that because we're about 100% stocked with deer in our deer unit.
Okay.
And it's reasonably achievable target, hopefully. And through monitoring, we'll know.
Mark Forrester, Amberley. We're in the North Canterbury Advance Party. We came down here just to visit. The issues are all the same. What we have is what they face. We must be on the right page because all the issues everybody else has got, and we seem to be coping all right.
My name's Stuart Stokes and I come from Springfield, and farming about 1,000 hinds and a few velveting stags. I'm a huge supporter of the Advance Party. I've been in one for a number of years now. I think the camaraderie and the common problems that we all work together to cure, I think, is a great strength.
Any particular sort of targets that you might think about from today?
I'm always aware I'll go home and have a rethink about our feeding of our velveting stags after one or two of the suggestions put forward today. Perhaps we're just being a wee bit tough on them through the late raw period, and we'll see where that leads to.